Hello everyone, welcome to Slow English UK. Today, we will talk about 5 common mistakes English learners make. If you are learning English, you probably make these mistakes too. This is normal. Making mistakes is part of learning. Let's start. Mistake number 1. Translating everything in your head. Many learners think in their native language first, then they translate into English. This makes speaking very slow. Instead, try to think in simple English. For example, I am hungry. I'm tired. I need coffee. Simple English is powerful. Mistake number 2. Being afraid of mistakes. Some learners wait until their English is perfect, but perfect English does not exist. Even native speakers make mistakes. If you wait for perfect English, you will never speak. Speak first, improve later. Mistake number 3. Learning too many words, but not using them. Some learners study long vocabulary lists, but they never use the words in real life. A better method is simple. Learn fewer words. Use them many times. Practice makes words stick in your memory. Mistake number 4. Speaking too fast. Many learners try to speak like native speakers immediately. But speed is not important. Clarity is important. Slow English is good English. If you speak slowly, people understand you better. Mistake number 5. Giving up too early. Unfortunately, English takes time. Progress is slow, but it is real. If you study a little every day, your English will improve. Maybe not in 1 week, maybe not in 1 month, but in 1 year, you will see a big difference. Remember this. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are training. Every mistake makes you stronger in English. Thank you for listening. If you enjoy slow English learning, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.